Aisa. Aisa. So where we at? Aisa, where we at? Farmer market.
I'm not close to it because it's there and my shoulders are kind of tired.
Hai, oke. Sekarang kita lagi di farmer market yang ada di U District bersama Umi Ina. Nah, ini Umi Ina. Tapi wajahnya kekenyangan.
Bibi itu jamur.
Huh?
Jamur.
Jamur. Oke, look at kita lihat mushroom over there.
Ya, kayak gini nih nyari jamur, nyari yang
Look at this. You wanna buy mushroom? Don't touch it, okay, Aisa? Looks so cute, Aisa. Mushroom. You can rice it at home. You wanna try? So like $10. Yeah. You can rice it. So everything you can eat, or
Yes.
this is
All
okay.
ones I grow fresh on my farm. They're all choice.
Yeah.
They're delicious varieties.
Blue oyster, Aisa. You wanna try? Which one? Yeah, this is blue oyster, right? So for how long from this one to grow up, sir?
How long does it take to grow?
Yeah.
We incubate our oyster for 3 or 4 weeks, and
Oh.
it takes about 10 or 12 days to fruit.
You
So
wanna
it's about a
try?
month process.
But month?
ini
So
langsung dimakan.
yeah, but you wanna? They sell this one starter. You wanna buy me? Buy. Oh, this one. What's this one you want? Oh, this the mix over there. Oh, you wanna try this one?
You have shiitake in here?
Shiitake? Yeah, we've got about a pint of shiitake in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's about half shiitake.
Half shiitake.
The same?
More or less,
This is shiitake.
Yeah, this one. This is shiitake, right?
Oh,
This is
which one you want?
Yeah, but half the quart is shiitake.
This is shiitake. Minggu lah. Oh, you want to try this one? Okay. It's so cute. It's
Take this guy here.
like cinnamon.
You take the big one.
Oke, dapat saya Umi beli apa namanya? Mushroom, jamur, macam-macam jamur. Cool. The starter from here. Nice. Lion man. So
Your car.
Having connectivity issues all day long.
Ini masa kayak gini Sophia nih, Bi.
iya.
Sophia sama
Iya, suka. Mushroom. Itu mushroom, ini Krishna. Oke. Oh, I don't recognize this one. Nice.
Thank you guys.
Thank you
Which
so
one
much.
you like it for it?
I eat a lot of blue oyster.
The blue
myself.
oyster? No.
Shiitake, blue oyster, cinnamon cat.
Cinnamon. This is like oyster? The taste?
It's kind of like a fried chicken nutty flavor.
Oh, chicken cinnamon.
Take care.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is a cheese, Isa. You want a cheese? Oh, but it's cookies. You like cookies?
Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster? No, it's cookie. Isa want a cookies? Yeah.
There's a cookie.
Which one cookies you want?
There's Cookie Monster.
Which Cookie Monster? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, Cookie Monster over there. Which one I saw like? I saw one monster. I saw mau nggak?
You wanna this?
911.
Sini. Come on.
I saw one cookies dulu katanya. Which one cookies?
Itu. Come on.
We got gifts. I said thank you. Say
Say thank you.
thank you so much. Oh, you can join the car though. Thank you. Wow. What's that?
It's a penguin.
Penguin? Penguin or penguin?
Penguin.
So you want a cookies? Which one? What cookie you want? No? Oh. Okay. Water tank bakery. Water tank. So this was the
Can we just go to the kid museum?
yeah. Vegan.
British.
Ooh. Oh, it's like spawn, Isa. It's like spawn. Ooh, ramen tacos. Like Chinese and Mexican taste. Oh, stop, Isa. Don't stop me. Ah, go. Which one? Oh, okay. Isa dan makanan. Okay. Serunya di sini ya. Mungkin panjang. Jadi mungkin biasanya ini selama summer ya. Nah, jadi natural fruit selama summer ada farmer market. Dan ini di district ya, di tempat kampus. Jadi sangat diverse sekali, campuran ya, banyak orang, macam campur-campur dari seluruh dunia karena di kampus terbesar di Washington. Wow, camelas, it's good. Spaghetti, tequila, steak, grass. Nah. Come on, Isa, come on. Which one you want? I said, want about something?
I want Kismet.
Kismis?
No!
What you want?
Children.
Kids Museum. Okay.
Children.
Ooh, Ethiopian corners.
I want children.
So me wanna go to the honey like carnation. Hi sir, how are you, man? Good. Which one you like it? Sorry to take picture. It's okay. Videos. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye sir. Which one? So every color is different. You have black, yellow, white. So this is grown in how?
All grown in King County.
Oh, King County.
Yeah, we're the beekeepers.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Do you think a baby?
Okay. Support local. That's sort of yeah. Yeah, I like. I wanna try this one a little bit.
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, take the whole thing.
Oh,
That one right there.
I don't know. I'll try it. Take this one.
Can you please?
Okay, this one big leaf maple.
Yep. Ready.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, tastes good. It's maple.
Take it out.
I still want to try the maple.
Sorry.
That's it. Thank you very much.
It's like maple, honey maple, say big leaf maple. Oh, good. Yeah. Is it good, man? Thank you so much.
Can we go to the kids' museum?
Yeah. Oh, rainy. I think okay. The last, ini the last one, the finish area. Ya, cukup lumayan. Kita bisa dapat barang-barang yang dari organik. Ya, cukup. Yuk kita pulang. Berkiri. Umi nggak beli itu. Ubi ungu. Biasanya Sobi ya, suka ubi ungu. Is this ubi over there?
Can you hold this?
That purple.
I need some more.
You saw more. I was thinking you don't like it. You like it? Yeah, you like it, Isa? Huh? Okay, go.
Can you have this?
Yes. Okay.
Clean.
Oke, kita sudah selesai. Anda di ujung farmer market. Kita kembali bahan tayangan farmer market ini bisa sedikit gambaran. Jadi kalau teman-teman ke Seattle, terutamanya U District atau di University of Washington di summer time, dia ada farmer market. Oke, salam dari Betawi Amerika. Salah. Ini college juga nih, university nih. Hai. Hai. Sekarang kita mau kemana, Isa?
Children Museum.
Children Museum. Seattle have Children Museum or not?
Oh iya ya, kayaknya Bellevue.
Bellevue.
Tapi dia kan
Lihatin ya, the apa? Garden ya, taman. Di sini. Nah, di sini ya. Beside di samping supermarket. Nah. Ini enak banget salad. Yang ini nih rasanya agak getir-getir gitu loh, Mi. Tapi enak. I like it. Rain.
Go to the children.
Yeah, that's why go ahead. Oh, nah. Jadi ini biasanya lokal. Jadi ini ya. Orang-orang yang di sekitar ini dia biasanya nyewa satu tempat mana yang dia pilih. Nanti dia rice untuk bikin garden di sini. Ini mint ya, Mi? Oh, wanginya enak banget, mint. Taruh di kopi, di teh enak banget. Aisyah, gimana, Rin? So, dia tampung air hujan, nanti diolah buat apa? Rosemary, oke. Rosemary. Nanti tampung air hujan nih dari sini. Nanti air hujan ini bisa buat nyiram tanaman ini. Jadi ini kalau di rumah mau ada tank itu buat menyimpan air hujan, buat nyiram Aisyah, Rain. Oke, sekarang kita menuju ke di sini juga tempat bermain anak-anak ya. Bermain anak-anak. Dia sih. Sekarang saya rasa Indonesia juga selama rumahnya Jakarta ya. Selama Anies jadi gubernur Jakarta, banyak taman bermain yang seperti ini nih. Sudah sesuai dengan seperti ini. Skate. Kita parkir mobil. Ya di sini. Oke. Ini bunga mawar nih kan? Bunga mawar merah, satu standar cinta. Oh, nah. Peach. Nah. Oke. Mobil sudah. Oke, sekarang kita waktunya pulang. Pulang, Mi. You like it?
My car move.
Come on. Safety belt,
Wait,
please.
did the car move by itself?
Yeah. I'll be moving. When you eat and lunch, I move the parking lot. Okay?
Okay, let's go to
Let's go.
the kids.
Okay. Buckle up, please. Buckle up. This is 119?
No, that's 911.
911.
What? Why do we give us?
911 is emergency. 911, call. Hi, hello officer. I am Aisyah. You can call 911 if you have something dangerous for you. Okay? You call what? 911. It's emergency call. Okay. Sekarang kita pulang, siap-siap. Ya, guys, give stiker Aisyah. Okay. Is it good enough? Aisyah wanna open or close? Alright. Sekarang kita balik ke mana nih? Ke museum. Apa yang mau drop off ke EMC? Abi bisa online sih. Oke, assalamualaikum dari Betawi Amerika.